Hello, teacher. My name is Caterine Garzón. End of the story. Susan sought out Joe many times to tell him how much she loved him. But Joe rejected her and told her that the love he once had for her is over. Susan understood that she had lost a good man. After a while, Joe and Ashley got married and moved to New York. Later, Ashley had beautiful twin girls, Tierney, then Laura and Catherine. Since that day, they live happily with the beautiful family they formed. Finish. Bye bye.